Hi everybody, Peggy Oki here of the Origami Whales Project, and today I'd like to demonstrate how to fold an origami dolphin. We're going to start with square pieces of paper. I highly recommend that we reuse paper. There's tons of papers out there that can be used from previous uses, such as just standard 8.5 by 11 bond paper, such as this type of paper. There's also the colorful papers that have been used for making flyers. And I cut these into squares from 8.5 by 11, so you get 4 pieces of 4.25 by 4.25 from an 8.5 by 11. And that's actually a very nice size to work with. There's calendars. I cut this out from a 2019 calendar. Some squares from that, as well as you can use gift wrapping paper, reuse gift wrap paper, chocolate wrappers. Look around and you would be surprised at all the different kinds of papers that you can use. Once we got squares, now we can fold. And I will fold with this piece of paper. It was like a test print that I used for some artwork that I was doing. And it's okay to have writing and things on it because it actually kind of decorates it more. We've got the square, okay, and then I'm going to fold it on the diagonal so that we get a triangle. If you open it up and think of Mexican food, what does this maybe remind you of? Taco fold. That's actually an origami term. And so we've got the taco fold to go with, and we're going to fold an edge to the center at that fold that we just created, that mark for the center. And we're going to do the same to the other side. We're going to be very symmetrical with folding origami dolphins today. Okay, and we've got a shape that looks kind of like a kite. And we've got 2 points here now that are meeting, and we're going to make the third point at the top come down and meet these other 2 points. So all 3 points will be just touching here. Right? Now we've got one edge here and another edge on the other side, and we're going to fold this edge to the fold in the middle that we already made. So it goes to there. Same thing with this side. We're going to fold this edge to the center, and it looks like this and there. Okay, gives that a nice crease. We're going to fold it and close now. So we've got this shape here, and we've got a pointy end here. At this pointy end, we're going to give it a little tweak, and we're going to fold it at an angle so it comes up like this. Okay, and we're going to fold back and forth on that same spot, left side, right side, left side, right side, a couple times back and forth, so it gets a really good solid crease happening there. So again, it goes like that. And you're going to now open it up, and with this crease, you're going to take your index finger and you're going to give it a push from the outside, the folded outside part, inside out into itself. So I will demonstrate that in a different angle. We're going to take it like so, this pointed end, and see how there's that fold already there, and you're just going to push it in. And when you do that, it's inside itself on both sides, and you've got an origami dolphin. Thanks for watching.